Paramahamsa Nityananda, a rare living incarnation, is named among the world's 100 most spiritually influential personalities today. Paramahamsa Nityananda has been placed alongside Dalai Lama, Nelson Mandela, Oprah Winfrey, Paulo Coelho and others by Mind, Body, Spirit, the world's top esoteric magazine from Watkins, London's oldest and largest bookstore. A yogi by birth, he has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English. Translations of these books are available in 26 languages in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 10,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services with ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world, offering exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham, a spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places in India like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Tiruvannamalai. A spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation, a contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers, an adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, who has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands and graced them with spiritual powers, a dynamic young guru who is an inspiration for thousands of youngsters, India's most watched spiritual guru online, a beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment.
वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं नित्यमुक्तं निर्विकल्पं ध्यानलोकप्रदीपकं वन्दे शान्तमयं बन्धं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दगन्धसञ्चारं सर्वोपाधिविनिर्मुक्तं वन्दे ज्ञानालयं नाथं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम्
Arjuna was asking yesterday very stupid question. What do you mean that you taught all these truths to Surya? Because Surya was born long before you. How can this be true? Here Bhagavan is answering very sweetly. Bhagavan is treating Arjuna almost like Gurukul child. He is not expecting Arjuna to know even basic things. Just like a kid is treating Arjuna, and he is answering from the beginning. See, numerous are the lives that have passed for me as well as for you. I have the complete knowledge of them, each one of them. O Arjuna, you do not know them at all. First thing, the sacred secret you need to know, whenever a new way of response starts in you, one new Janma starts in you. For example, in every situation of your life, you always did the response of fear, withdrawing, non-confrontation, or non-involvement. Suddenly you decide, from today, I am taking the response of facing, acceptance. Every time you begin a new way of response, even for your physical disease, start doing new way of responses. Start responding to them in new way. When you are really feeling tired, sick, can't move, body is paining, this kind of new responses. So actually when you do that kind of thing, your whole bio-memory, just out of survival, your whole muscles and bio-memory, just out of survival need will wake up. Same way, when you are cornered, put into big depression, big problem, criticized, shattered, just go and sit in the temple and unclutch. Because that is the response you never do for problems. Start new way of responding. Start new types of responses. The moment, please understand, one more thing I want to tell you. The moment you start attending even for one pattern, when you start the new response, new way of responding, see, always this new way of responding is very juicy. It will catch up like a fire to all other responses also.
Just an hour's drive from Bangalore, Asia's fastest growing city, is a unique space of healing, meditation and rejuvenation. Welcome to Nityananda Dhyanapeetham. Experience soothing healing energies under the ancient wish-fulfilling banyan tree in the presence of divinity. Enjoy the unique anti-aging formula of the original Siddha Healing Spa with the 21-foot energized healing lingam and healing pool, the Vaidya Sarovar. Connect directly to God in the vibrant silence of Nityanandeshwara temple. Savor the delicious sattvic food served free at all times. Best of all, get a glimpse of authentic spiritual life at the daily morning satsang, worship, yoga and meditation sessions with Paramahamsa Nityananda. Rediscover yourself at Nityananda Dhyanapeetham, the ultimate spiritual lifestyle destination. Nityananda Dhyanapeetham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru. 97422 03311.
I know the modern day youth is really suffering. Humanity has never faced this crisis. I have created a one-year program where you can study the spiritual truths.
Nitya Yoga practices to create healthy body. Spiritual discourses to develop mental health. Meditations that help balance emotions. Kriyas to break mental patterns that create suffering. Opportunity to express leadership qualities. Techniques that improve creative skills. Learn to break all self-limiting barriers to achieve your dreams. Ananda Yogam.
I am providing a platform for you to think, meditate, contemplate and decide about your future. I am giving you 1 year free food, shelter, clothes, above all the spiritual education and intelligence and intuition to take decision about your future.
Every participant is taught the Vedic truths to live life as it leads in a nurturing ambience, along with inspirational spiritual education that helps bring out the best and achieve one's highest potential.
Youth across the world can come and spend an year in Ananda Yogam to work on you to discover your future, to discover your destiny or recreate your destiny. I'll open my house for you for 1 year completely free. Come and stay here, discover and recreate your destiny.
Interviews at Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru. 97422 03311.
For example, when you are tired, instead of responding to the tiredness by lying down in the bed and sleeping, see usually how you respond to tiredness, you just pull your blanket. Instead of that, oh now I am tired, I am going to respond to this tiredness with power and energy. See this new response which you give for tiredness, what will happen, you know? Then while the depression comes also, you will not be comfortable with giving the old response. Even at that time, you will take the decision of responding new way. Same way, when the anger comes up, you will respond in a new way. When lust comes up, you will respond in a new way. When greed comes up, you will respond in a new way. When insecurity comes up, you will respond in a new way. Every time you start responding to any pattern in new way, your new birth starts. For example, there was an anger pattern in you which is 20% of you. If you have decided to respond in a very new way to that pattern, 20% of you now takes new birth. But if there is a lust pattern which is 80% of you, if you decide to respond to that pattern in new way, 80% of you takes new birth. I wanted to define a rebirth concept. When Krishna says you had many births, He means you had many bodies and many minds. You had many bodies through many minds and many minds through many bodies. Sometime, even while you passed through one body, you had 20 mind. Sometime, while you passed through one mind, you had 20 bodies. Just to pass through, get a new response to the lust engram, you would have taken 20 body. Just through one body, you would have passed through 20 mind. Passing through of so many minds and so many body is the truth of rebirth. Understand? I am redefining. Never ever the concept of rebirth, many births, was described with this clarity. Sometime in one body you go through 20 minds. Sometime without even changing one mind you go through 20 bodies. What is the way to liberate yourself? Two things. One, go to the root of every response you started creating in you.
The Ingenious Program, a field of all possibilities. The children in the Ingenious Program are directly under the guidance of enlightened Master Paramahamsa Nithyananda. Nithyananda is an incarnation and exudes the knowledge of conflict-free living. He states that enlightenment is our birthright. What an incredible gift for your child, a once-in-a-lifetime privilege to live and thrive in the energy field of all possibilities and give enlightenment to your child. Where every child can become a genius. Learning can unveil the genius in every child, provided it stimulates higher-order thinking skills, positive self-esteem, teamwork, and an internal locus of control. Research has proven that holistic teaching methodologies paired with meditation stimulate whole brain functioning and result in self-directed, spontaneous, and creative lifelong learners. An enriched environment. When young children have an enriched environment conducive to early learning in life, they have higher IQ, cognitive intelligence, EQ, social emotional intelligence, and SQ, spiritual intelligence. These early experiences are critical for the development of the child. Peer pressure and destructive social conditioning can take its toll on the child. It can create negative thought patterns and destructive behaviors unless these enriching experiences are provided. An enriched environment includes whole brain activities which stimulate the utilization of both sides of the brain. The right brain is responsible for creativity, intuition, spontaneity, quantum memory, learning in a flash, and computer-like calculations. The left side of the brain is responsible for inner linear thinking and analysis. When both sides of the brain are integrated, performance is optimal. Brain Yoga. Brain Yoga activates the ability to balance the right and the left brain. This helps open the sixth sense. Children are given activities to balance both sides of the body simultaneously, using distinctive postures that stimulate both sides. The neurological brain patterns move from beta to alpha, increasing alertness and attention. Quantum memory. Quantum memory is a constant downloading of information without interference of the mind. Observation skills are directly related to memory skills. Reading without interference of the mind, reading at quantum speed, will lead to quantum memory without the mind getting in the way. Creative and performing arts. Dance, drama, music, sculpting, and design offered in the Ingenious Program provide kinesthetic motor stimulation to engage the brainwave patterns, resulting in expanded creativity and resourcefulness. Sattvic food. Children are given the benefit of fresh, sattvic food prepared to the standards according to the ancient Vedic lifestyle. The food is fresh, with fruits and vegetables. Vegetarian food creates radiant health in the body. Vedic cultural arts. Sanskrit chanting stimulates the brain to produce full brain coherence, developing clearer perception and integrated thinking. Chanting also promotes inner silence and improves the attention span. Meditation and expanded awareness. Meditation instills a deep silence in the child, resulting in deeper, richer perception and clarity in thinking. Ingenious produces the next step in evolution, a mature human being who functions at a higher state of consciousness. Expanded awareness provides the platform for a vision of all abilities of life, perfect health, prosperity, and life without conflict. What more could you ask for your child?
If I can just teach this one science to the kids, I will have millions of enlightened beings. See, you may be having 10 qualities as your quality. Courage, feeling heavy, insecure, confident, so many qualities. When did you start developing those qualities? Means, when did you start responding in this way for your problems? Go to the root. That was the time you took the rebirth. Then decide, from now, you will not assume any pattern. You will assume only the flow which liberates you. Means Ananta Kalyana Gunas. See, in a liberating way, if you function, you radiate all auspicious qualities, but without you feeling you are radiating. You will not think you have those qualities. Others will think. Others will understand you have those qualities. To make this verse as an experience of your life, like Bhagavan says, I have the complete knowledge of each one of them. O Arjuna, you do not know them at all. What is the way to know? This is the way. Go to the root of every pattern you have and see when you started responding in that way. When that pattern took birth in you, after finding out, making the conscious decision, from now I will not respond from any pattern, I'll respond from consciousness. The pure spiritual freedom. That will be the base from which I'll respond. When you start responding from the pure spiritual freedom, you will radiate best patterns, but you will not know that you are having those patterns. Others will think you have. You will radiate all the Ananta Kalyana Gunas, all auspicious patterns, but you yourself will not know them. But you will radiate all of them. Unfortunate are those who do not look in and find out the sources of their patterns, Only when you find the sources of your patterns, you can undo and free yourself from patterns. Man who has a knowledge of all the beginnings of his patterns is incarnation. Krishna has knowledge of all his patterns. He says, numerous are the lives that have passed for me as well as for you. But unfortunately, all the commentators, interpreters have commented this sloka only from the angle of body. Numerous bodies you have taken. No. It is not just the body. See, if you understand numerous bodies you have taken, it's a partial understanding. Any understanding is supposed to liberate you. Jnana should give you ananda. Jnanam anandam. Knowledge should give you power. If knowledge is not giving you the power, it is off knowledge. If knowledge is not giving you bliss, it is off knowledge. Numerous are the, if you understand, numerous are the bodies you assumed, as usually understood. It is not giving you any knowledge, it is not empowering you to get out of this cycle. That is why I am telling you that translation is not complete, that understanding is not complete. The complete understanding about the past births, the word which Bhagavan is uttering here, many, many births, numerous are the lives. The right understanding for this word is, you have grasped many bodies with one mind, many minds in one body.
ब्रह्ममुरारिसुरार्चितलिङ्गं निर्मलभाषितशोभितलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं जन्मजदुःखविनाशकलिङ्गं तत्प्रणमामि नित्यानन्दलिङ्गम्।
ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यवकुतो दयिषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुदते नमः या जयिषुः शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्याया तपतया नो रुद्रमृडय या ते रुद्र शिवा तनोरघोर पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुभाषन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिजागशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते विभष्यस्तवे शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि पुंसेः पुरुषं जगते शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छा वदामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगदयक्ष्मगुं सुमना असत् अद्य वोचदधिभक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषगे अहीहश्च सर्वान् जम्बयन् सर्वाश्च यादुत्राण्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुणपुत भभ्रस्व मङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षु श्रुता सहस्रशो वै शागुं भेडयीमहे असव्यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उदैनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उदैनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय ईडुषे अतो ये अस्य सद्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनत्वमुभयोरार्तियोर्जा याश्च ते हस्त इषवः परात भगवो वप अवदत्यरनुस्त्वगुं सहस्राक्षशते शुरे निशीर्याणवागुं पुत अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निषङ्गतिः या ते हेतिर्मेडुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्व तस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुज नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुदरे नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिधे धन्वनो हेदिरस्मान् गृणक्तु विश्वतः अधो यजुषुरिस्तवारे अस्मन्निधेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदा शिवाय शङ्कराय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यवागवे सेनान्ये दिशां च पदये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पदये नमो नमः सस्मिञ्जराय त्रिशीमदे मदीनां पदये नमो नमो बब्लुषाय विव्यादिने नानां पदये.
The moment you understood this, now you have the power to transcend this chakra, this bondage, vicious circle. Now you have the power to be liberated from this. Jnanam, Anandam. Knowledge empowers you and knowledge gives you bliss. That is why I am saying this understanding is the complete understanding. Whenever two different understandings are presented to you, what is the scale? How to choose which one is right? This is the scale. Which understanding gives you more power and bliss? That understanding is more comprehensive and complete. Here two understandings. One, many lives have passed. The moment the word uttered, many lives have passed, what do you imagine? Oh, I was tortoise, then crocodile, then lion, then tiger. Bodies have passed. You remember only that. You don't understand the deeper meaning. In one body past, you lived with so many minds. With one mind, you lived so many bodies. Sometimes just the one mind, the lust and anger pattern, with that one mind, you spend 20, 30 lives, still you are not liberated. Sometime in one body, your mind evolves to that high level. You are liberated from so many patterns. That is why we say, with Master, every day is a new life. Because every day I am making you respond in a new way to every pattern. Every new response I teach you, it's a new birth I give you. Every new response you start doing, it's a new birth you give for yourself.
क्या आप स्वयं एक अवतार पुरुष से अपने जीवन में दिव्य मार्गदर्शन चाहते हैं? प्रस्तुत करते हैं अवतार पुरुष से वार्ता।
नित्यानंदा here.
परमहंस नित्यानंदा संसार को एक और अतुल्य और अनोखी भेंट दे रहे हैं।
You got practically everything and too much for a phone call.
अब वो लाइव किसी के भी प्रश्नों का उत्तर स्वयं देंगे।
That's great. No, you ask anything you want in your life. Ask me any boon you want.
8 से प्रारंभ। कुछ सौभाग्यशाली लोग जो 08027279999 पर फोन करेंगे, वो स्वयं स्वामी जी से बात कर सकते हैं। लाइव देखें NTV पर ntv.nityananda.org।
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.
See, do you want to become a friend of jail warden who can free you, or do you want to be friend of another co-prisoner? Decide. You can be friend of co-prisoner. You will be very happy, but he can never liberate you. Instead, spend the time to create friendliness with jailer, warden, work with the court who can liberate you. But what to do? Unfortunately, people always feel comfortable with a co-prisoner. See, to relate with warden, you need to be more intelligent, you need to evolve to his level. Lot of risks are there. And he gives you some technique, apply this bail order here, go to this court, do this, this. He can give you consolation, not solace. Consolation is different, solace is different. Consolation means co-solation. Who is your co-partner and having the same suffering? He gives solace is consolation. He can never give real solace. Solace is different, consolation is different. You want consolation or solation? Lives. Constantly. You are either changing the body or changing the mind. In one body you take new mind, or in one mind you take new body. Decide from now, you will not take any more new minds. Naturally you will be liberated from new bodies. That's all. Man who has decided, I will not take any more new minds, is Jivan Mukta. The man who has decided, I will not take even new bodies anymore, is a Videha Mukta. That's all. If you have decided, I will not take any more minds, then you will have this body running. So you are Jivan Mukta. Once this body is dropped, you are going to decide naturally, I won't take new bodies also. You are a Videha Mukta. That's all. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bangalore, 562109. Contact 097422033311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.